Ukube niyafundiseka bengizonitshela ukuthi ilunga lomndeni othwele ngalo awulisizi noma lihlupheka. Noma ungaba nemali engakanani, awumthengeli isicathulo, awumthengeli ukudla, awumakheli umuzi ngoba uthwele ngayo. Ingane othwele ngayo uma ngabe ungumelaphi, awuyilaphi leyo ngane. Noma ingagula kanjani, igula izifike kuphi, awuyilaphi leyo ngane ngoba uthwele ngayo. Wena uyibeke lapha kulesa simo lesa. So uma ngibheka le video engiyenze eJoseph M, ngibheka abantu abaloyiwe the way bakhomenta ngakhona, abantu abangenamadlozi, abantu abanobotokoloshi the way bakhomenta ngakhona, ngibona kungaphephanga ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngifundise kakhulu ku TikTok, ngoba ngizawuthukwa abantu bangithukela ukuthi ngithi lento ofuna ukuyilungisa ngemali enkulu ungayilungisa ngemali encane. Bangithuke ngoba izilwane eziphila kini ngeke sivume ukuba nilalela into ezohlukanisa lezo izilwane nani. Bengithanda ukusikele nje ukuthi into zabantu maniyibheka niboyibheka ngoku-understand, kusanokwenzeka ukuthi loya muntu uthwele ngayo. Unemali kodwa umfowabo uhlala naye egcekeni kodwa ngathi akamnakisisi kahle. Kokunye kusuke kuyisithwalo, kokunye kusuke kuwumlando phakathi kwabo abantu. Nina ngeke nikubone lokho, kodwa ngoba phela sengibalekela ukuthukwa, wabona umuntu akuthukela ukuthi let me too. Bengingaqhubeka ngiye phambili kodwa angiyibambe.
And of course, there we have it, as we are featuring what this guy had to say about ukuthwala ngengane yakhe. But before we get into today's topic, you already know what to do. Just click the subscription button, and anyway, let's get into today's conversation. And people are taking Dr. Kehlelezi under the comment section. No Dr. Kehlelezi, guys. Please comment down below and tell me, guys, like any maybe asinamsebenzi phela, guys. Like any to wenzeni uDr. Kehlelezi, because apparently and allegedly uthwele ngengane yakhe, allegedly, from what I heard on social media. What do you think about that? Please do comment down below and tell me what you think about this, guys, because andazi, mina personally, I don't think he's capable of doing that. But after what I once heard from the podcast with Chris, do you remember the time when that lady went to the podcast with Chris and exposed Dr. Kehlelezi of ukuthwala? Do you remember those days, guys? Yes, apparently he has done some bad things in the world, and that's the reason why he's so rich. Is he rich though? Because there were many speculations back then saying that Dr. Kehlelezi is not the main he portrays himself to be, especially on a public platform. Anyway, comment down below, guys, and tell us the dangers of ukuthwala, because some of us, we are poor, we want to ukuthwala but we don't know how to. But unfortunately, I'm lying to you guys. Mina ngifuna ukuthwala. I want to sleep peacefully each and every day. I don't want money, guys. I'd rather suffer and eat maybe porridge umdoro alone. I don't want that money. I do not want to be associated with evil, because where there's money, we know there's evil, right? And we do comment and learn someone to think about what this man had to say about ukuthwala topic. And the consequences of ukuthwala, and the consequences of ukuthwala, because we have to learn one or two things from this video. I learned something from this video. I want to hear from you guys. Do comment and tell me what you think about what this man had to say about ukuthwala ngengane yakho, and if indeed it's possible to ukuthwala ngengane yakho iphila, because not long ago, the time But that challenge, guys, do you remember the challenge? Yakuthi abawondli izingane zabo. Apparently they tagged Okhehlelezi there. They tagged Okhehlelezi and they also posted his child's picture who's in the hospital in a bad state right now. But we are not even sure if the rumors are true. Hence, I'm asking you guys to comment if you think Dr. Khehlelezi had sacrificed with his child or not. Comment down below and tell me what you think about this. And please bear in mind that everything that I said, it is alleged, because we don't have money to pay lawyers, honey, and we can't even afford lawyers. We don't even know lawyers. I don't even guys, I don't know a lawyer. I don't. Anyway, do comment and tell me what you think, and I will come back with another video after this one. Have a lovely day. Bye.